What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and everybody knows exactly what this device is. This is the iPad Pro 12.9. This one has the M1 chip in it, obviously. And we also know what this is. This is Apple Pencil Gen 2, magnetically attaches, actually charges through this device. But what if I told you that there is now a real competitor for this device? Would you believe me? Hopefully you would, because I got it right here in hand. This is from Adonit, and this is the Neo Pro. So let's talk about it. So this is it. This is the Adonit Neo Pro. Now, Adonit actually has a few new Neo Pro items out, so I'll be sure and link all those below so you can basically check out the one that's gonna fit you the best. But this one, the Neo Pro, is gonna run you about 45, 46 bucks, depending on where you pick it up at. And it actually stood out to me the most because this model can actually charge itself magnetically on the iPad. Now, that is why I say that it basically gives the Apple Pencil Gen 2 a run for its money. Now, the Neo Pro, which I have right over here, I've already taken it out, we've already been using it, is a seamless stylus. It actually comes with 2 extra tips in the box when you get it. It magnetically attaches, and this is in my Zugu case, but it magnetically attaches to that iPad, and it will work with your iPad mini as well as your iPad Airs. So keep that in mind. It does work with every Apple iPad that works with an Apple Pencil. This device will work with, including the 10th gen that just came out with. It just won't magnetically attach and magnetically charge, but it will still work with all those iPad models. Now, like any other stylus or third-party device, you cannot have this one, the Gen 2, connected. So you gotta basically disconnect this one for this one to work. So on this device, it's very slim, very sleek, and it is very well constructed. Like I said, seamless piece down to the tip. You get 2 extra tips in the box, and this is your on-off button, power button up here. Hold it down, and when the blue light goes off, it is off. As you can see, it's not doing anything. It is off, right? Now, hold it down and you wait for that blue light to come on. Once blue light is on, it is now ready to go, ready to write, ready to style us. Now, let's keep in mind though, this is third party. So when you are drawing, for you real artists out there, your third party stylus will not support pressure sensitivity. However, it will support tilt recognition. So keep that in mind. No pressure sensitivity, but you still have tilt recognition. Now that really comes in handy if you're wanting to shade and do different things of that nature. But once again, no pressure sensitivity, only tilt recognition. See how it gets wider and then thinner, wider as I tilt, and thinner straight up and down. So tilt recognition is on deck, no pressure sensitivity. So if you're a real artist, I always say this, go out and buy your Apple Pencil Gen 2. If you just doodle, draw, take notes, things of that nature, this is what you are going to want to have. Now, one of the biggest questions that I normally get with one of these is, does it support scribble? And the answer is yes, it does support scribble. So in any of those applications, GoodNotes, Apple Notes, some of those daily planners, if you're looking to use scribble and that feature, it will work, no issues. But just like I said, no pressure sensitivity. You can bear down really hard, it won't do anything, but it does support that tilt recognition. So just keep that in mind. So as mentioned, about 45 bucks, 46 bucks will get you one of these. A link will be below so you can check it out for yourself. As mentioned, you will not get a status on the screen letting you know that it is charging, but you do see the light changing colors up there. And that lets you know it's fully charged right now. When the light is still red, it is in charge mode. And when the light turns green, it is now fully charged. And if you take it off, the light changes back blue. Sit it back on there, it's red, and it should turn to green. There we go. So magnetic charge, tilt sensitivity or tilt recognition, no pressure sensitivity on this, but I think it's a really good deal if you don't want to go out and spend 130 bucks on an Apple Pencil Gen 2 and you want to pick up something like this. I think this is the first real Apple Pencil replacement that we can check out. Just to show you guys that it's not the case that is being all magnetic and stuff. Attaches to the top, nice, doesn't wobble, doesn't fall off, doesn't jump. Fits really good on the iPad. Magnet is nice and strong, nice and stable, and you don't have to worry about it falling off when you're using it. So I give this product a big thumbs up. They did a really good job with the concept and the features of it, and I would definitely recommend this to everybody out there that does not want to spend $100+ on an Apple Pencil Gen 2. Go by and check this out. It'll be a link below in the description. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.